We're over in Asheville at one of the Asheville apartment complexes, unloading one of the brand new U-Haul trucks. It's a Ford Super Duty, brand new, has less than 1,000 miles on it. Ford F650 Super Duty truck. If you're looking for moving help, U-Haul has movinghelp.com. Just amazing the how cool it looks. Big F650 Super Duty truck compared to the GMCs sitting here. And these are still pretty new too, but U-Haul has got a brand new fleet of Ford F650 Super Duty trucks coming on the market. If you're wanting the right equipment, again, the right equipment at the lowest cost, use U-Haul. See how close to the ground it is back here? There it is. U-Haul right equipment at the lowest cost. And the ramp is really low to the ground. Look how beautiful the leaves are in the fall here in Asheville, North Carolina. It's amazing. Look how low it is to the ground. Easy to go up and down a ramp, real safe. The other truck company, this is where the level of their truck is. That's how much higher off the ground compared to safety. And if you remember the other trucking company, they have wood floors. Look how pretty and clean, no oil, spotless floors. That's uhaul.com. Has the brand new trucks. Less than 1,000 miles. Apartment complex in Asheville, right off Asheville Airport Road.